I'm just sitting in my truck here. I'm gonna make a video today on why my truck is quieter and doesn't have that kind of. It's got a low tone. It ain't got that kind of little bit of a higher tone like a straight pipe, or if you have one Cadillac converter on it with the glass pack. And the reason for that is it has 3 Cadillac converters and a glass pack that splits into 2. It's not a true dual. But if it's not raining too much, it's just misting. I'm gonna show y'all what I mean. That's one exhaust pipe, and that's the other. If dang ground wasn't so wet, what I'm talking about is that right there is the glass pack. But if you come down over here, you can see, oh shoot, wait a minute. 1, 2, where's the other one at? I know there's, oh well, maybe there's only 2. Okay, well, maybe I'm just dumb. My bad, it's only got 2 of them on it. That one I want to take off and then just put the pipe on it and be done. So it will actually have a little bit of rumble to it. It's only got that freaking. If any of y'all watched my other videos about this truck, you can hear, you know what it sounds like. But that I want to take off and just go buy some pipe or something and do that. But I talked to my stepdad and he said any work that's done under it, he'll take it to the shop. And they say it's not legal for that, for some really odd reason. Which I think it's really stupid. If you've got one Cadillac converter on it, it should be good. In my opinion. That's what I want. And when I start driving this thing, that's what I want to happen. It's cold. But that's what I kind of want to do with my truck. I'm trying to buy a set of kickers for it and the hubcaps with the black centerpiece. So, yeah. I'll get it done. Like, what's his name? I don't remember that dude's name. Whatever it is, get her done. But, yeah, that's kind of what I want to do. Kind of my plan for when I start driving. So it'll have a little bit of rumble to it. And then move up from there and put a true dual exhaust on it with headers. Instead of a manifold. With the headers. And run it all the way back with a true dual. With 20-inch glass packs on it. That's what I want to do. I don't know if I can see. I don't know if y'all can see me shaking in the video. It is cold out here. It's getting colder. It is colder sitting in that truck in a warm seat. It was good. Oh no, now it's just cold. Comment, subscribe, do whatever.